Hey babes, and today I'm going to show you guys how to put on top and bottom lashes. Woo woo, let's do it. But first, bubble tea break. Taro Slush, amazing. So today we got Eldora false lashes. We're using their bottom lashes in style S408. And I'll be going in with my favorite style lashes from Cashlash, which is Big Bank. Okay, so this is the first method on how I put on my lashes. You're going to need a liquid liner. I'm using Ava Beauty's FE liner. So you want to line your upper lash line very thin, as close as possible to the lash line, not too thick. Next, take your favorite black mascara and apply it to your top and bottom lashes. Next, get your favorite clear lash glue. I'm using Yardi Cosmetics Good Wool. Oh my god. Don't come for me, y'all. Don't come for me. Lash glue. And I'm going to use it and I'm going to line on top of the black liner that I created. Use this as a guide to trace on top of the black liner. And then taking my lashes in a tweezer, I'm going to apply the lashes on top of the glue. This method is really easy for beginners, because I know a lot of beginners always have trouble getting their lashes as close to the lash line as possible, and you have that weird like skin gap. And also a lot of people feel uncomfortable putting glue on their lashes and they're kind of struggling putting it onto your lash line. But this is a really quick and easy way to make sure that you apply it right on the lash line without that weird skin gap. Next, this is method number 2, and this is kind of like a 2-in-1 special. So you're using a black lash glue. I'm using a black lash glue from Icy Wifey. And the reason why I'm using a black lash glue, because it lines your upper lash line like a liner and is lash glue. So that way you don't need to do the liner first and then the glue. This kind of defeats the purpose of the two and make it into one. So when you line your lash line with the glue, you're going to stick your lashes right on top of the glue, and bam, there you go. Really easy. This method, once you master the first method, this method will be really simple and easy for you, especially when you get comfortable with tight lining your lash line. Okay, bottom lashes time. So you're going to take a black gel liner and you're going to line your waterline with the black gel liner. Doing this is very important because it's going to help blend your false bottom lashes into your bottom lash line. I forgot to insert this clip from earlier, but also make sure you coat your bottom lashes with some mascara. What I love about Eldora's bottom lashes is that they come in little pieces, and that way you can really customize your bottom lashes. Some bottom lashes come in a whole strip and I have to cut them up. That way I can have more freedom customizing the bottom lashes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the lashes and I'm going to apply a little bit of clear glue. I forgot to show this part. I'm so sorry, but a little bit of clear glue. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take the bottom lashes and you're going to apply it underneath your lashes, your natural lashes, and to as close to the lash line as possible. That's why it's really important to have the black liner, because it allows the lashes to blend naturally into your lash line. But the key thing is you don't want to put the lashes on top of your natural lashes. You want to put it under your natural lashes. And the reason why you apply your bottom lashes under your lashes is because your natural lashes are going to actually cover the band and cover the bottom lashes, making it look more natural. Also, don't be scared to like use your tweezers to like fluff up your lashes to make it look more upright. Sometimes if you apply them, they can be a little bit more flat against your skin. You obviously want it to be a little bit more above your skin, so use your tweezers just to lift it up a little bit more. And there we go, a quick short video on how I do my top and bottom lashes. Just to let you guys know that you can do your lashes anyway. There's no wrong or right way when it comes to makeup. This is just how I do it. And I know I got a lot of people ask me how I apply my top and bottom lashes. So let me know which method you would love to try. Let me know if you want to start wearing bottom lashes. I will also list a few lashes that I love in the description box below that you guys can totally purchase from, that sells amazing bomb bottom lashes. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Love you guys so much. Bye, babes.